Hello guys, this is Valery from Sight Forex and you're with the step 9 of the series How to be a successful trader in 10 steps. This step is about the practice before you start to trade with real money. We'll talk about how to do this practice and why it is so important. Let's begin. The trial period is very important before you trade with real money. First, you need to prove that you can be constantly profitable in demo account before switching to real account. The demo accounts that brokers provide are for that. Training the strategies you know is one of the keys to success. As you know, there is no strategy that gives 100% successful rate. You should practice to see where the strategy gives more profits and how it works. Let's take example for some sport. How long a football player trains to be a good player? What do you think? Well, he trains at least 6 days a week all day. He has to be consistent in the trainings if he wants to be competitive and not to sit on the bench for the whole season. And what about the boxer? He trains 3 to 4 months for just one game. But that is the truth. If you want to be successful in something, you have to train. The same is with the forex trading. It is not easy. Have you seen a trader just to look at the charts and to set a trade? Well, this guy has spent years to be able to do this. The success comes with a lot of exercises, a lot of back tests and dedication. The goal of trial period is to test your trading system because everyone has their own understanding of things and everyone develops their own trading style that suits their personality. There are so many different ways you can trade on the market to make profit. There are some people who like to trade long term, on a daily and 4-hour time frames. Some focus only on 4-hour time frames. Others stick to trading only within the day or during one session. In any trading style, you will not have a problem with the strategies as long as you test them. The more you test the strategies, you will acquire the ability to see them instantly when they occur on the charts. Test them over a long period of time, at least a few months. No one has become a master in trading without back testing. You need to be patient, take your time for training and you won't be disappointed from the results. Do the trade journal, record and analyze it. Be consistent and stick to your trading plan and the rate of return you've set to yourself as a goal. It is important to repeat the strategies every month because over time most traders choose 1 or 2 strategies and start trading only on them, and that's when they start not seeing everything on the market and started to lose. Always place a trade only with analysis made. Thus, you will not miss important things and you will reduce your losses. The 6-month period is practically not to make profit. It is to apply the things you have learned, to make mistakes, to learn from your mistakes, to understand how it works, and then to finally become a profitable trader. By tracking all your trades, you will find out what works and what doesn't. If you're able to be profitable for 3 out of 4 months on a demo account, then chances are great that you can do the same in the live account, and this gives you a confidence to stick to your system. Tracking your trades is important to see what works and remove what doesn't work to give you confidence that you need to become a profitable and relaxed trader. If you can't get out of for at least 3 straight months on profit, don't stop with demo trading until you start to make a profit a few months in a row. Once you know what works and what doesn't, do more with what works and less of what doesn't. That's it. Always keep a trades log so you can find out what works and what doesn't. Track your mistakes and try to avoid them. No one is perfect. We also make mistakes. Sometimes we get into trades that we didn't have to. Maybe during news it happens. Sometimes we miss a trade that would be profitable. Try to improve your skills. Try to be a better person. Improving yourself is the best thing you can do, not only in your job, but in life and relationships as well. Manage risk and focus on the things that work. Once you manage to make good trades and start being profitable every month, it's time to start with the real account. Start with a small account, maximum $1,000. Here the goal is to get used to real trading. Here the difference will be purely psychological. You just need to go through a short period of habituation. Here again try to achieve your goals for the month and do everything as before, and when you start to be profitable every month again, then you're already ready for a bigger account and of course for bigger profits. After going through one period of at least 1 year, you will go through all the cycles on the market. You will see which months are good for trading and which are not. When you understand how the market works through the whole year, it becomes easier to make good trades. Try to make your trading as a way of life. Okay guys, this was everything for this episode. We hope you've understood why the trial period is so important when you want to be a trader. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also, you can share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. This way you are helping us a lot to grow up. We'll see you next week with the last step of the series. Till then, you can watch our weekly forecast from the link in the bottom right corner. Bye bye.